everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. It's been a minute, we've been out of town and we are desperately needing some groceries. So come with me to Vaughn's, actually Paul too, and we're gonna do some grocery shopping for the week. Let's go. All right, I'm getting a little bit concerned. Tell me what your freezers look like, you guys, because I've been seeing this a little bit much and I know we should be mindful of this. Just came back from being out of town and we just didn't have much in our fridge. So we're just getting a little bit. I'm going to be doing some more shopping this week a little bit later. So stay tuned for that. But we're just kind of planning some meals and I had some good coupons on my app. All right, so they're having a good sale right now. Lots of things are 99 cents. And I've seen online where you can make a bell pepper sandwich. So you cut it in half and then you put like mayo or cream cheese inside it with like the meats and, you know, other vegetables, and then you can close it and it's a sandwich. Let me know down below if that's something you would do. I don't know about that for me, but these are still 99 cents and I'm gonna get a couple. All right, so we are back. As you can see, not a ton of bags, but I feel like I got a lot. So I'm gonna show you what we got. Like I said, that there was a really great sale on produce for 99 cents each or a pound, and I'll show you what we got. And then we even got some new things, so I wanna show you those. I'm excited to share. So let me show you now. First, I have sodas. So about every week or so, we'll pick up whatever's on sale. And these 4 6-packs were about $10.80 something. So that's not bad. So we'll have those. And I got some potatoes. So that was on the app. Let me know down below if you use a store app for the coupons. Because if you're not, you are missing out on so many good discounts. So the thing with Albertsons, this is an Albertsons Vaughn's app, is it accumulates points and then you get even more off. So I already have 2 reward points, which can get me like almost $3 off in some areas. So I'm super excited about that. And I'll let it accumulate a little bit more, and then I'll use it to get some more money off my end total another time. So before I show you all of this, I spent $92. Not bad. So let me start unpacking and I'll show you what I got. All right, let's start with some of the things that need to go into the freezer. So I picked up some tenderloins from the chicken breast. Now these are like little skewer, like perfect size. They were $10.99 for about 2.5 pounds. So those $5.99, $6.99 days are gone for a while. So, but this is going to be used for hopefully a couple of meals. And I'm having some ideas with that. And I'll let you know pretty quick here. I picked up some more burgers so that we could keep those in the back. I want to keep my freezer as stocked as possible. And I noticed that I needed to get some more chicken. So I want to make sure we have some more of that. But some more hamburgers, an easy go-to meal. It's really good. Paul puts them on the Blackstone and it is so good. Now I had a coupon for some frozen veggies. So we're gonna have some stir-fry vegetables tomorrow, but some crinkle cut carrots, some chopped broccoli. Now this would be perfect in a shepherd's pie, and that's probably how I'll use them for sure. And I also picked up, I picked up 2 of the stir-fry vegetables. So these were all 99 cents using the app. So it was such a good price. And I also picked up, which is a good price, 4 of the Kellogg's. So I got 2 Pop-Tarts for the kids. So I know it's got tons of sugar, I know. But right now we don't have a lot of cereal. So if we do have it, it's gonna have almond milk. But these were $1.67. And sometimes I just get a handful of cereal and eat it dry. Let me know if you do that, because I think it's a little odd. I've also been not having regular milk. We've been transitioning to almond milk, and it's been an easy adjustment. So we have that. And I also picked up a lot more apples. So I follow a DIY person. Her name is Liz Marie Galvin. And on Instagram, she's the cutest. And recently, she's lost a lot of weight. And she said that every day she eats some chopped apples with some peanut butter, but the peanut butter also has some protein powder in it. So I have actually some almond butter because I'm kind of trying to stay away from some peanut items. So I think I'm gonna try it. Should I try it with you? Let's do that and let's try it together. Okay, so all I did was put a little bit of almond butter, and I did about a half of a scoopful of protein powder, which is about 7 more grams of protein. That doesn't look super delicious. And I know Liz Marie did more things. I think she added like chia seeds and some other things too, like honey maybe. But I just wanted to kind of start with just, the 2 things, the protein powder and the almond butter. Okay, let's try it. Wow. That kind of tastes like dessert. The protein powder gives it like a little more like flavor, maybe even like it's chocolate. So it gives it, yes, it does taste like a dessert. I could eat this every day. That would be so good. And I have been cutting apples like all this week when we were with Paul's mom, which she's doing much better. She still has a long road to recovery, but I know she's so happy, and we're so happy she's out of the hospital. I was cutting apples, and I was cutting some other things that I'm going to show you. But this is really, really good, and I think that even the kids are going to like this as well. Paul too. So let's keep going. Some other things that I would cut this week that Ezra totally loved were some cucumbers. So we would have apples and cucumbers, and I could even make up some cubes of cheese for him. And that would be really the perfect lunch for him, and really for me too. So we would put a little bit of tahini on it. So good. I picked up some more of our pretzels because our class likes to have pretzels with a snack for while we're teaching. So I had to get it. Another thing that I picked up was a little ham. So this is a very easy dinner. This was about $10. It says maybe, $10.58. So not too bad. And this will take care of the whole family for sure. So I could cook this up. I might add a little honey to it. I actually have some hot honey, so that will be perfect on this as well. And then we can have like some baked potatoes, or I can make some vegetables and maybe just broil them. So that's gonna be something that we will plan this week for sure. I picked up the red ones and the green ones. So one of the red ones is gonna go for the chicken fried rice, in which I also use the green onions and a regular onion and some carrots. So I chopped those up really fine, and then I just cooked them all together. I do have a video on it. It is so good, and it can last us for like a couple of days too. So the leftovers are delicious. And I even put a little bit of this yum yum sauce on it. Delicious. Okay, so then the other one with the green one, I'm gonna chop up with another onion that I already have and fry them up to make fajitas for Paul, maybe to serve over rice. I thought that would be really good. So tomorrow we're going to have some steak with teriyaki sauce, some of those, the veggies, the frozen veggies over rice as well. So I need to start stocking up on even more rice. So the next time I go to the store, I'm probably going to do a little bit more stocking up, because I want to make sure I have a lot of extra items on hand. I'm trying to use every penny I have that's extra to do that, you guys. Yeah, there's some stuff coming down the pike with us being in Nevada. We're very close to California. A lot of the trucks come through California to deliver food to us and throughout a lot of the US. And there's some laws now being changed or being passed in California that affect trucking and delivery. So, just one of those things we have to kind of keep an eye out for, friends, for sure. Okay, picked up just some sour cream, perfect for baked potatoes, right? And I noticed that the sliced cheddar was gone. So I think I've told you before that Kobe, one of my older sons, he likes just making a cheese sandwich, and that's okay. And if I'm making a quesadilla for Ezra, sometimes this cheese is just a lot easier to do if I don't have any sprinkled ready. So I did buy some Grandma's Sycamore bread. So this is what I was going to tell you. I got honey whole wheat in Grandma's Sycamore and in white. So the white is so good, you guys. But I found something else. Sourdough, and it says it's new. I've never seen it before. So I'm gonna have to try it. Should we try it together? All right, raise your hand if you like sourdough bread. I am a huge fan. So sourdough is actually better for digestion if you are needing something a little gentler on your tummy. And so this is perfect for that. I don't know, let me see. I don't think it's that different, you guys, from the white bread. Oh, okay. I think I can taste it. Because you know, Grandma Sycamore has a very, I'm gonna get another slice in case it was, it just really smells like their white bread. I'm not gonna put that one back. It does have like a floury top. Okay, so it's very, very subtle. I think I prefer to have like a sourdough to be really like sour. This is just more mild. It really does taste like their white bread, but it just has like a little hint of a sour at the end of the taste. So I think this was good to buy, to try. I don't think I'm gonna get it again. So this sourdough will be good for just as regular white bread. And I honestly don't think that the boys will even notice that it's sourdough. They will not. All right, you live and learn, right? But these are still really good. The white bread it's a very, very good white bread. So just something to remember for the next time. Now let me go ahead and I have just a couple more things to show you. All right, I picked up a couple of cantaloupes. These were 99 cents each. It's perfect. So I always have a hard time finding the cantaloupe that is gonna be the best and the ripest. So hopefully I got those ones. But the boys really do love the cantaloupe. And so hopefully I picked some good ones. And last but not least, I picked up some lettuce and some tomatoes. I was really craving a salad, so an iceberg salad, like the wedge salad. So I thought that would be really good with some of the meat that we're grilling on it or on the side, just a nice complement to it. Or it can be even for the burgers that we're going to have this week. So maybe even have it like a lettuce wrap or something with it instead of using buns for me. So that is what I bought, you guys, $92. And these were also on the produce sale for 99 cents, which I'm so happy about. So I got all of this for $92. Let me know what the prices are comparing at your grocery stores. Are you seeing some empty shelves like I showed you already? I'm just kind of keeping my eye out for it. And I am a firm believer of shopping the sales because I think we're going to get a whole lot more for the sales while they last. I don't know how they're going to keep doing the sales sometimes, I wonder, but I'm happy they are. So have a wonderful day, rollers. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.